Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a video on me redoing this area here. See the mess? This is my office nook. I have my little bud here. He wanted to join me on this intro. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is so awkward when you stare. I can't even think about what I'm gonna say. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I can't concentrate with these kids here. Stop staring at me. Oh. This intro is all over the place. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up this area. This is what it looks like now. I also put the baby to bed for his first nap, so I'm going to now sweep up the floor, and then I'm going to take a little bit of soap and water to just clean up this wall over here to get it prepped for the wallpaper. Okay, so I am just waiting for the wall and the floor to dry. Oh, look at my balloons. This is for my son's birthday. He just had a birthday. Don't mind the mess. Like I told you guys before, my house is in shambles right now because I'm waiting for this. I need to get used to this. I keep looking at myself instead of looking at you guys. But my house is in shambles right now. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this corner done so I can get everything back in its place. But what I'm going to do now is just take a look at the wallpaper. I did purchase 4 panels of the wallpaper. I think that may be enough, but I think I may actually have too much. But I'd rather have more than what I need than need more and then have to wait. So I'm going to play with this wallpaper and try and see how I'm gonna lay it on the wall and just how I need to place it. So I'm just gonna try and play with it just to see how they line up together. So let's go, come on. Guys. You guys, look at how pretty she is. Oh my god, I love this wallpaper so much. I can't stop looking at it. Like, I'm not even looking at you guys because I just can't stop looking at how pretty this wallpaper looks behind me. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, look at her. Okay, let me stop rambling and I want to hurry up and get this desk set up over here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is coming along so nice. Okay, so the baby woke up. Bam. It's probably not a flattering angle, but I have you guys sitting on my table. I'm just giving him a little snack since he woke up. So I was able to, as you guys saw, I was able to put the wallpaper up. And then I just set the desk and the chair over there. Okay, I'm sorry. Here. I know. Stop talking, right? Yeah, no talking, right? So I did that. What I want to do is I just want to clean up a little bit because I'm not sure how much he's going to let me get done today. And it's almost 12 o'clock. And I have to get my kids get out of school soon. Aiden gets out in about like 2 hours. So I want to just clean up a little bit because I also have to make dinner in a few. So I just want to clean up and then kind of set the desk up here and there. So this may be a 2-day process. I may not be able to get everything done today. Okay, baby. I may not be able to get everything done today. So if I do, I will tag you guys along. If not, I see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, so it is the next day. I didn't get to finish anything yesterday. I moved over the baby's playpen area back to his little corner because it was in the middle of my living room and it was just taking up way too much space. So I also got him down for his first nap of the day again. What I'm going to do now is actually just freshen up, take a shower, probably throw on some makeup depending on if he stays sleeping, and then we're going to finish working on my desk area as soon as I'm done. Be back. Take me back into your heart. I just want to jump on here and formally inform you guys that I am going to be launching an apparel line. I will be customizing t-shirts for you guys. I'm going to be doing adult t-shirts, youth t-shirts, and toddler and baby t-shirts. So I hope you guys enjoy this line. I'm really excited to launch this. I will be giving you guys a discount for your first order, just for your continuous support. I appreciate you guys oh so much. I will be giving you 20% off first order. Just use code ISA20 on your order. I will be leaving a link to my Instagram account down below, and also my email if you guys are interested in ordering. All right, now let's get into this office reveal.